Today I am going to embroider this design. For the leaves, I am going to use these two shades of green, and I am going to use this for the stems, another shade of green for the stems. For the leaves, I will use the French knot stitch. It's very simple. Just pick up the needle from below, take the thread, and just go round the needle thrice and put the needle down. That's all. That is all you have to do. And for each leaf, depending on the size, you will just have to take 2 or 3 stitches, I think, will be required to fill up the leaf, depending on the size of the leaf. Some of the leaves are very small and some slightly bigger than that. For this particular leaf, just 2 stitches were enough. Then I will go on to the next one. Very simple, just the thread thrice round the needle and put the needle down. That is all. This is known as the French knot. Again, just pull up the needle, take the thread at least 3 times and put it down. I have taken 3 strands of thread. For the stems, I am going to use stem stitch. I think most of you are familiar with this stitch. I have taken another shade of green. Take small stitches. Simple. You may first do the stems and then you may do the leaves. I have first done the leaves and then I am doing the stems. Simple stitch. Take small stitches. For all the stems, I am going to use this shade of green only. And for the leaves, I have chosen 2 different shades of green. Small stitches. That's all. And you come to the end of the line, put the needle down. For the pot, I have used brown and again I am going to do step stitch. No filling in for this. just a single line of stem stitch, taking 3 strands of thread. And every time, as I tell you, take small stitches. Just 3 strands of thread. That's all. I'm going to do all these lines and these also with stem stitch only. That's all. Simple stitch. The design will look like this after completion. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe.